Thibitari nene ya Kenyatta ni ikorire haceke gugikia kiroko kia umuthi kuri uhoro urio gutabitio nenda-ini cia kiriu ati atumia aciari nimakoretwo makihahamwo kimwiri ni aruti wira amwe thibitari-ini iyo.
So where are you going?
Uhoro uyu ni ureremborire mbere kuria kiama kia arigitani KMPDU gicerire thibitari iyo Uthuthuria ndeto iyo hamwe na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cleopas Mailu na atongoria angi. Thutha wa gucera thibitari no minister wa ugima wa mwiri Cleopas Mailu niaheanire mukana na uthuthuria utabanio kahinda-ini ga thiku ithatu na riboti iyo iheanwo wabici-ini yake muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giukite.
Whichever source, it is important for us to take it seriously because those are not allegations we would like to be labeled to any institution or events which should happen to anybody in any institution.
Oho ni ugite ugiteri ugashirithio thibitari-ini iyo.
The management is going to be alert to this, is taking seriously the complaints of the public until we find those complaints have no basis.
Kiama kia arigitani KMPDU kiria atongoria akio mauma abere gukinya thibitari-ini no thutha wa kunyita uhoro uyu ni gitabanirio uthuthuria wa naihenya kuria maririe na arwaru na aruti a wira na kuruta riboti ati uhoro uyu nduri na oma no moria uthuthuria mukinyaniru utabanio.
I think the people who are reporting this story, wherever in social media, they must take that responsibility. They must come forward. They must, or if they don't, I think this, because now it's a public issue story, the CID should do it.
Senator wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja na murugamiriri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga Purity wa Ngui ni makomithirie giko kiu na mauga ni mekurumirira uhoro uyu.
Despite that confidence, it's something that still must be taken very seriously. And we should open up the place for investigation because there might be an incident that maybe has not been made, been brought forward to the leadership of this institution.
Agitetera thibitari no murugamiriri munene Lily Koros ni ugite matire mamukira mateto mothe megie ndeto eno no thutha wa uhoro uyu kuhunjata mwaki wa githaka ni andikire wa ofisi ya munene wa thitango cia muingi mamateithiririe na uthuthuria.
The damning and untrue social media report is uttered in bad faith, according to us, and the members of the public of goodwill need to ignore it. KNH management and staff wish to assure patients and relatives that their security and medical care is our priority.
Ohokoros nyoretie mundu wothe ungikorwo na undu ungiteithia kwejera ndeto eno no eyumirie ategwitigirania mundeto kana wira uria ekuheana ni ukugitirwo na gikiro kia iguru. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riako ni Mwihaki wa Kamau.